This is the Realme C53, the latest cell phone from the C-series realm which was introduced globally by the realm. On this occasion, the price update will discuss the latest specifications and prices for the Realme C53. On the screen, the Realme C53 comes with a wide screen and has sharp screen colors, while the screen specifications are separate, namely, using an IPS LCD HD Plus panel screen, with a refresh rate of 90 Hz, and a maximum brightness level of 560 nits. For this screen size, this smartphone has a screen size of 6.74 inches, with a resolution of 720 x 1600 pixels. There is one camera at the top of the screen of this phone which functions as a necessity for selfie photos and video calls. As for the front camera, it has a resolution of 8 megapixels f2.0. For recording results, the front camera of this phone is capable of recording videos up to 720p quality at 30 fps. Meanwhile, on the back, there are two cameras located on the back of the cell phone. The two cameras each have a configuration, 50 megapixels for the main camera f1.8, and 2 megapixels for the black and white camera f3.0. For recording results, the rear camera of this cell phone is capable of recording video up to 1080p quality at 30 fps. Realme C53 comes with the Android 13 operating system and the Realme UIT interface. Switching to the kitchen runway sector, this smartphone uses a pretty good chipset, namely the Unisoc Tiger T612 chipset which has a 12nm manufacturing. This chipset will later be combined by octa-core CPU 2x 1.8 GHz Cortex A75 and 6x 1.8 GHz Cortex A55, and combined with GPU Mali G57. This smartphone comes in two color variants, namely Champion Gold and Mighty Black. While to support your activities in operating this cell phone on a daily basis, Realme itself provides a very large storage memory option, namely 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage memory. There is also a RAM expansion feature of 6 GB on this phone. If this is still not enough, users can expand the storage memory up to 2 TB using the micro SD card slot. The other features that this phone has are a fingerprint security system located on the side or side-mounted fingerprint, NFC feature, Bluetooth 5.2, 4G connectivity, Wi-Fi 5, USB Type-C 2.0, 3.5mm audio jack, ultra boom speakers, and so on. Meanwhile, to support the performance of this smartphone, a non-removable 5000 mAh battery is embedded, as well as 33W Super VOOC charging. Quoted from the website, for the latest price for the Realme C53 at the time this video was made, namely, for the 6 GB RAM variant and 128 GB storage memory, the price is $140.05. Thank you for watching this video until it's finished. Don't forget to support this channel by subscribing, and also pressing the bell button so you don't miss the latest videos from this channel. Thank you.